up, y'all? How have you been? I say that exactly the same every time. And looks like today I'm going to tell y'all a story of one time that well, this is a story about my friend, my buddy. So he was walking through a Walmart parking lot one time. He was kind of homeless at the time. His wife just kicked him out. And so what happened was, he's walking, and on this windshield, someone took that stuff that you write on windshields with, and said "free," and the keys was in it. It started real nice, and then so he took it home. He was like, "Heck yeah, I got a new pickup," and there's a catch, all right. Y'all are thinking, what the heck's this catch? Let me tell you. He got home and was looking through it, and there's a Bengal tiger in it, probably illegal. And it was hilarious, because like, he called me and said, "Hey, you know where I can take a tiger?" He said, "No." I said, "No." And then he hung up and said, "Alright, I'll get back to you with it." Then he hung up. And so then I can't remember. Oh, yeah, he called me back the next morning and said, "Hey, you want to come over for dinner? We're having tiger." Yeah, that's my friends. Yeah, I ended up hanging out and having a tailgate party. Because, yeah, he didn't have a house. He was living in that pickup. It was a sweet pickup. It was an F-130, some sort of a truck. I'm just kidding. I know my trucks. Yeah. Real well. Iron me, I think I'm a pirate. I love making videos. I wish more people watched them. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.